Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the center of gravity. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the center of gravity indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. And so to date, we have tested 47 indicators. And out of those 47 indicators, 15 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 15 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the center of gravity indicator. This is an indicator that was developed by John Ehlers quite a few years back. And basically, the idea of the indicator is to catch reversals in the trends as soon as possible. And so it's similar to a two-line cross type setup indicator, where you have, a faster line and a slower line, and when one crosses the other, then, it gives you a signal. But the way this one is coded is it actually has a background to the indicator that will give us a green signal for a long or a red signal for a short. And that's how we will be testing it today. Again, this is one of the TradingView user created indicators. And so down in the description below, I will put a link that links you to this particular indicator on the user's profile if you want to pull it up and use it. So with all that being said, let's get to the testing process now. It looks like we got the first signal to go short was right here, and I do not believe it was able to eke out the take profit. Nope, it was not, before it turned around and got us stopped out by giving us a long signal. Alright, there was a long signal, and it looks like same thing. It did not give us take profit before it then turned around and dropped back out and gave us a short signal. Let's see what the short signal does. Alright, short signal, and it does look like we were able to, yep, we got a win on that one. Alright, there might be some hope for this indicator yet. The problem with this indicator that I can already have an idea of, won't say for sure because obviously we won't know until we test it thoroughly, but there is a reason why we do not attempt to trade reversals, and that is because they are almost guaranteed to lose you money. Reversals just are not a good way trying to trade. And so, I don't know why I'm measuring that one off. That definitely did not go there. And so, yes, reversals just are not a good way to trade. You will get faked out far too many times, and it will just eat away at your trading profits until you take your account down to zero. That is my opinion. That is my experience of trying to trade reversals. And that is why I do not recommend it. And that is why we generally are looking to trade trends here, not reversals. That is what we're looking for, is we are looking for indicators that will give us really good trend trading. Now, for the sake of not being biased, we test every single indicator regardless of whether it is a trend indicator or a reversal indicator, and we will put them on the winning list if they are able to achieve the win-loss ratio that we are looking for. And then later down the line, we will slowly weed out what works best and what does not work best for our trading system. And again, I'm going to go out on a limb and say that trading reversals will not be what we build our system around. Just too many issues with trying to trade reversals to make it worth our time. Let's see here. Signal right there, and it looks like may have gotten, maybe, yep. We've tested a few reversal indicators here on the channel, and to be honest with you, actually, hold on, let me, oh no, yeah, I guess I did bleep red there for just a second. Let me see, sorry, let me see if, yeah, we squeezed it out right there. We have tested a few reversal indicators here on the channel, and a few of them have actually met the win-loss ratio that we are looking for. And so it's not the fact that reversal indicators can't meet the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The problem is that often trading reversals caps your trading potential. And that is where trading reversals really have a negative effect on your account. Let's see. Looks like that one is a green there. When you enter a trade, you want to be able to ride that trade out for as long as possible. That will be what really grows your account. And if you are trading reversals, which often will only reverse for a short period of time and then continue in the original direction, then you are capping your trading potential. you're capping your trading profits. And that will have a serious negative effect on your account. That's why I don't recommend it, and that's why I do not trade reversals myself. I am a trend trader, and that is how I trade on a regular basis. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Wrap up these last couple of signals here. All right, so that is the end of the year there. It is a little bit of an over trader, and you know what that means. Let's see, let's count them off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 wins. So unfortunately, that is not going to make the list to go on. It is going to go on the no list. Like I said, it was a little bit of an over trader. I mean, we had 35 signals in 1 year's time. And so anytime we get an over trader, it seems like it almost always ends up being a losing indicator. Now, I will say one good thing about it was that even though it is, a quote unquote reversal indicator, it did seem to be giving signals that were catching the beginning of new trends, unlike some other reversal, like strictly reversal type indicators like the RSI or like Bollinger Bands, for example, where it really is about that spike as the stock is making a correction, and then almost always ends up going back in the original direction that the Forex pair was going in. And so, yeah, unfortunately, like I said, this is another one that is going on the no list, and we will move on from here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView, and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.